spend a lot of my time thinking about you. Well, maybe not you, but someone like you. I probably haven't met you, but I imagine you have tinnitus, ringing in the ears, or hearing loss. That's why you're following my YouTube channel, which is focused on helping both of those conditions. All of the video content I make here on my YouTube channel, all of the services we provide at treblehealth.com, the goal is for better hearing and less tinnitus. Sounds rather simple, right? How do we get better hearing and less tinnitus? Even though those are simple outcomes and those are some of the driving factors for what we do at Treble Health, it's not that easy to get better hearing. It's not that easy to have less tinnitus. Better hearing breaks down to an accurate hearing test, a professional who understands the whole market of hearing solutions, and a good fitting of technology that works well with the anatomy of your ear and the needs and the requests that you have for what the hearing aid will actually do. For example, if you're having trouble hearing when there's background noise and when people are speaking from far away with soft voices, then certain hearing aids, certain hearing technologies will do that better than others. If you want something that's invisible and only goes in your ear canal, then certain technology will be available that could meet those needs, but not always. Now imagine you're still trying to find better hearing, so you're going online and you see all these advertisements for online hearing aids, some for $1,000, some for $3,000, some that seem really great, others that seem pretty bad, but they are cheaper. You may have also seen an in-person audiologist who recommended a pair of hearing aids between $5,000 and $8,000. You're seeing all this different information coming in and you have to make sense of it. That's pretty challenging. All that you're trying to do is find better hearing. Now on the other side of this, how do we reduce tinnitus? How do we get less tinnitus? If you've been following me here on my YouTube channel for the last year and a half, you know this has been my focus. How can we reduce tinnitus, that ringing in the ears, the hissing, ringing, buzzing, roaring sound that doesn't seem to go away and it gets louder when we're in a quiet place or when we get stressed or when we're trying to fall asleep at night? You probably went through this process of going to your primary doctor, going to an ENT doctor, getting a hearing test, being told there's not much you can do, just learn how to live with it, going online, considering herbal supplements, pills to help reduce tinnitus, researching what's happening, asking what is wrong with me, what happened, the doctors don't have anything to do, researching what's wrong with me, what can I do, going on Google, going on Facebook, searching, trying to talk to people who are in this. Seemingly your condition gets worse and worse, and trying to figure this out on your own. The result you were looking for was rather simple, right? Less tinnitus. But suddenly you went through this wild goose chase of trying to figure it out all on your own. Okay, I get it. We're trying to have better hearing and less tinnitus. So what do we do? In my opinion, after researching all that's available from the medical establishment, from doctors, from the online establishment, from different technology, this is how we do it. We start with the best hearing doctors, professionals who can accurately diagnose, counsel, and understand what you're going through. We pair that with the best technology available that's designed and independently verified to help with tinnitus and hearing loss. And that leads us to the best results for the best hearing and the lowest possible tinnitus. I can't make the hair cells in your ears grow back. I can't reduce tinnitus to absolute pure silence. But me and other doctors on our team, we do our absolute best at providing evidence-based care after we've been trained and worked at some of the best medical centers in the country, aka we are the best hearing doctors. We combine our education with the best technology available, and not just hearing aids, all technology solutions for hearing and tinnitus. We're talking premium hearing aids, high-tech hearing aids, online hearing aids, affordable hearing aids, different remote control hearing options. We're talking tinnitus sound therapy technology, from hearing aids to ear-level sound generators to sound machines to apps. All of these different technology solutions aimed to help better hearing and less tinnitus. I don't want anyone to have to try to figure this out alone, see something online and tell themselves, well, that looks like the right thing to do. I don't know much, but they seem like they have a decent product, so let me go buy that. That might work, but you could be leaving some real improvement on the table Instead, consulting a doctor, consulting one of these experts who has worked at a major medical center, who has extensive knowledge of the whole market of technology solutions for hearing and tinnitus, not just what's available at a clinic, I believe that's what leads to the best results. This has been a 5-part series about the most innovative telehealth solutions for hearing loss and tinnitus. I've put my heart into these videos. I've put my heart into making this business, TrebleHealth.com, so that we can pair expert audiologists, hearing doctors with individuals in need through technology and telehealth. Let me tell you something. If you're trying to get better hearing and less tinnitus, using just technology on your own has limitations. Using just professional counseling or support on its own has limitations. When you can provide the best doctors with the best technology together, that is what leads to the best results and the best outcomes. Hands down, this is what you need to do. I'm not saying you have to work with us. I'm encouraging you to find the best solutions available. I've put in a lot of work to create an offering, a service model that is convenient, and you can find more about that at TrebleHealth.com. Hoping these videos give you a lot of free information so that you can make the right decisions on your own and hopefully make a little step towards better hearing and less tinnitus. My name is Dr. Ben Thompson. This is my YouTube channel. Make sure to check out the other 4 videos in this 5-part video series. And if you are not already, please, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel by finding the red button below and pressing the subscribe button. I make a lot of fun videos. A lot of them keep me up at night. A lot of them get me a little stressed out. But every time I read those comments that say, "Thank you so much, Dr. Ben, watching this video allowed me to change my perspective," or change my approach, or reach out for help when I needed it. And because of that, my tinnitus or my hearing loss is a lot better. You helped change my life. When I read those comments, it makes staying up late working on these videos all worth it. So thank you for being a part of this community. You can find me and the other doctors that are on my team over at TrebleHealth.com. Thank you so much. Bye.